What's up guys, welcome to the case study and how Cole and myself were able to hit 53K in our first month of just testing. We will be exposing our store, product, marketing structure, and even our offers and creatives that we used. This may be the most valuable video you have seen yet, so make sure to take notes.
What's up guys? So the product we actually did $53,000 revenue on the first month was the pheromone perfume. How we actually found this pheromone perfume was one of our students was actually testing it with TikTok in the UK and seeing really good results. Shout out Jay if you're watching this, but Jay actually saw really good results marketing this in the UK, so we reached out and asked him if he would mind if we took this product and started running in these other countries. We used our TikTok agency account, which we give to all of our students, and basically allows you to have no spending issues and target any country. And using this account, we actually found a gold mine of a country. We tested this product and immediately saw like a 3 to 4x ROAS. We scaled this so fast. On the second day, we hit 1.5K, and during that same first week, we actually hit a 4K day, all on TikTok. We basically had a golden nugget product on our hands. The reason that we thought this product did so well compared to some other products was, perfume is already something that's out there, something that is bought a lot and has a massive industry, and we found this new perfume product that has a unique angle to it. The unique angle for this product was the pheromones in the perfume created a unique scent for each individual person. On top of that, we understood that the lifetime value, that this is a reusable product, meaning if somebody buys this and then likes it, they will have to come back to our site to get the same product again. Because of the lifetime value and the replenishable nature of this product, we actually set up really good email and SMS automations to recapture a lot of those customers. Shout out to my boy Jasper and Justin for helping us set those up. This product basically flew off the shelves, doing $18,000 in the first week with a ton of profit, and we knew that we had to build a good website and brand this product immediately. So now for the store reveal. The name of the brand that we created is actually called
Velvet Pharaoh. This is our brand and we created this whole store from the ground up. As you can see on my screen here, we have the dashboard with the $53,000 in our first month of testing. So as you can see here, we use the Impulse theme. It's one of my favorite themes I've used in most of my stores. I use Canva for all the edits of the images, logos, and all those things you see in our brand. As you can see too, our website also shows our own custom content too, giving more of a brand feel. We focused on having a simplistic and pleasing layout to our website in order to have a higher conversion rate. We also followed a nice light color scheme as well. When we were analyzing our competition, we realized most of them, if not all of them, had a very similar offer, which was buy one and get one free. We decided to one-up that offer and create a buy one, get two free offer instead. Now, even though our margins were smaller, we ended up getting more conversions than our competitors, bringing our conversion rate also higher on our website, leading us to having more money overall in profit. As you can see on my screen too, here we got a nice little pop-up that gives them 15% off when they just sign up with their email. In the cart page, we also added an upsell with just adding more perfume or even adding the cologne for men, which worked very nicely. We tested a few different upsells. The men one was the one converting with the highest rate. This is also excluding our normal volume discount offer we have in our product page. That is just to bring our average order value up even higher. A tip for you is the more custom content you get for your website, the better your results will be, and this is for anyone out there. Apart from that, we tested multiple offers and also multiple layouts for our store, but this ended up being the best converting one, so we decided to leave it like this when scaling at the beginning. Now, even though we had a great conversion rate on our website, we could have not have done that without our
marketing. Let's talk more about the first week and how that went. Before we get into the marketing, I do want to say that unfortunately our TikTok ads account got restricted and banned because of the specific product that we were selling. We are trying to get it unrestricted, but we actually do not have access to the numbers or the account at all right now. We're trying to get it back. We are currently setting up another one to run ads on, but right now we do not have the results on the TikTok ad account. So this is the store sales for the first week. We started actually on February 11th and we did $18,000 in the first week with a high of about $3,900. So we don't have the actual TikTok ad account, but I'm going to talk about the structures and the campaigns that we use to actually scale this brand. first and most important thing, I actually think the reason that we were able to scale this brand so hard and so fast is because of the ad creatives we had access to. We had multiple great UGC content videos that we were able to test in different countries. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how we structured our campaigns and what actually made our marketing do so well. There's a lot of people out there that stick to a certain structure. They say you have to do ABO with one ad set per structure, CBO, cost caps, whatever. We tested it all. And to be honest, there was no unique way to set up your TikTok ad structure that performed better than other ones. The differences that we did see in campaigns were actually the ads being performed. It didn't matter if it was a CBO or an ABO, some worked, some didn't. It wasn't consistent based on the structure, but it was consistent based on the creative. We had a few winning creatives that we would test on cost caps or CBOs or ABOs, and the winning creatives would consistently do well. We were testing as many creatives as possible, and we were actually trying to get our own UGC content out there as well. So this probably included testing 10 new creatives a week. I do want to mention that having the TikTok agency account, not having spending issues, and being able to target all the countries was one of the main reasons we were able to do such good numbers. So we're back on the first week, and I actually want to show you that TikTok was our main source of income. I do want to show you that Australia was our main targeted country and the main country buying this product. And you can also see here, this is our offer testing. This is the different offers we tested, the different products we tested to see how they would do to try and increase this average order value. The average order value, as you can see, was something that we were trying to increase day after day, working on the site, working on different offers, as well as the conversion rate. But on the TikTok platform, there was no real set way to structure these campaigns that did the most or did the best. What I do want to say is that when we were scaling, you want to set up each campaign structure to test one variable at a time. Meaning you want a CBO testing Australia and a CBO testing UK to see which performs better. So I want to explain a little bit more about what I mean by testing one thing at a time in each campaign or in each ad set. A lot of people do broad CBOs with ACO, which basically means you can add a bunch of different creatives and TikTok gets to pick which creative does the best. This is really good for scaling, especially if you have really good creatives, and these campaigns do perform well. But the issue with this campaign is, as well as they perform, we don't know what specific factors are the reason behind that good performance. We don't know if it's the gender targeting, the broad targeting, the country targeting, the actual ad creatives. These are all variables we have to test. So we had these big CBOs that we would pump money, increase in value as long as they were profitable, but we had other lower CBOs and ABOs to test specific ad creatives, specific countries, specific interests to make sure that we are optimizing for all of those specific factors. So our general strategy was increase what was doing well, duplicate what was doing well, monitoring them on a daily basis, monitoring the different types of things that we can test, like countries, regions, interests, whatever it was, and making sure to always optimize. I will say, for someone watching this who maybe hasn't done a ton of marketing, the most important thing is definitely going to be the ad creative. What the actual person sees rather than who you target is going to be more important. As important as the marketing is, these stores aren't able to scale high without good fulfillment and
customer service. Many stores fail because of their fulfillment or customer service side of things, but to be honest, we thrived in this area. Now, as funny as it may seem, even though we thrived in this, we also had a huge issue that delayed our shipping for 1 month. But at the end of the day, we ended up getting almost no refunds at all and a bunch of happy customers. The reason why we ran into this issue was because the original package for the product would be prone to leakage, and we did not want to have this issue. So after testing the product for 3 days, we ended up ordering 10,000 units with our own custom packaging, logo, and most importantly, with our own custom bottle. Now, even though we had a month wait, the reason why we thrived was because we took care of our customers. To solve this issue, we ended up sending an email to every single one of our customers apologizing for this delay, letting them know ahead of time, but also giving them 2 free bottles of our perfume and every single order for every person as a sorry for the delay. And we also explained to them how the free bottles we were giving to them would last them longer than how long the delay took. So at the end of the day, we gave them more value than our delay. With this simple solution, we ended up saving so much money off refunds. And it barely cost us any money since we already had ordered our own custom inventory and it was way cheaper. Our shipping time is now only 8 to 10 days, which helped us scale to the next level. We will be sending inventory to warehouses in different countries to be able to scale to the next level after that, which will be 2 to 3 days shipping. And with these exact procedures, we were able to make
$53,000 in revenue in 1 month with a $15,000 profit margin. As we can see, we did $53,000 in revenue, but there's a few things that I just want to mention before this case study actually ends, and that's how much stuff that we tested and failed. If you see here, most of our profit came from TikTok, but that doesn't mean we didn't test Snapchat ads, Instagram and Facebook. We tried Facebook for a little bit. We also tried Google. A lot of our sales came from Google, maybe 10 to 15%. You can see here on the product sold, we tried so many different products and different offers to see what optimized the best. We tested the big 5 English-speaking countries. These are the sales attributed to the SMS and email marketing only in the first month. So in this video, we went over what our product was, how we actually found it, although not really through a product research method, it was just connections. We went over how we built a branded store, how we did competitor research, how we did offer testing, how we increased our average order value. We talked about the marketing and the structures for this product. Although I was not actually able to show you, it's pretty basic because there's no exact way or set way to structure test campaigns. I'm gonna put a big emphasis on the ad creative. There's a lot of people out there that say this campaign for testing does better and this one does better for scaling. At the end of the day, you should try them all. They all work for different products and each store is uniquely different. Lastly, we went over fulfillment and customer service. And yeah, we ran into issues when selling this product. We had so many emails, we actually had to hire a VA to help us answer emails. We had delays, we had refunds, we ran into a lot of issues. But every issue we ran into was just a road bump on the way to success. Being flexible and able to adapt when these road bumps approach with your store is one of the important reasons that we were able to do this much money in the first month. I hope this case study shows that it's a repeatable process that can be done over and over again. There's no secret juice, the work just has to be done. So if you're looking to start your own store, maybe you've already started but running into some issues, or you're just feeling overwhelmed because there's so much information about dropshipping out there you don't know what to follow, feel free to reach out to me and Nico's Instagrams, watch our YouTubes, I'll put the links right here. So we actually do have a program to help people start their e-com journeys, build stores like this in the first month, making good money, and then scaling past that into a sustainable e-commerce brand. The program is uniquely made to have you off the ground with e-com as fast as possible. DM us the word level up if you're interested in learning. It's a very personalized program and we do not accept everybody. We're only looking for people with the right mindset to do this. Starting an e-commerce brand is not as easy as people make it out to be, but it is a repeatable process with exact steps that you can follow to see results like this. And that's exactly what this mentorship is supposed to help people do. So if you're someone getting into e-com and starting your own business, I hope this video helped. If you're looking for more help, please DM us. Even if you're not interested in the program, we can answer some questions for you. So if you're someone looking to start your own e-commerce journey, or maybe you already have taken the first steps, please reach out. Even if you're not interested in a mentorship program, reach out, connect, follow us along our journeys. Feel free to ask us questions. We're always looking to help. So one last thing I want to say before you actually hop off this video. Anything worthwhile does not come easy. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is actually building a full business. You are finding a product. You are doing anything worthwhile does not come easy. You're actually building an entire business. You are finding a product, building a website, doing the marketing and fulfillment. Most companies have specific teams for all 4 of these things. It's not easy, but there is a repeatable process. What you have to have in mind is failures are stepping stones to success. So you have to expect to fail. You're gonna make mistakes. It's just going to happen. But get back up and keep trying and do not give up, because as soon as you give up, all the work that you put in before that was for nothing. So I hope this video inspires you and gives you a little bit of motivation to actually start your own store. All the links are down below: Instagrams, YouTubes, Discord communities, any free materials. Please reach out to us with anything. We're just trying to help. Peace.